Hey everyone, welcome to a quick video from Review All the Things. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for you of WD Electronics Street Legal Turn Signal Kit for Polaris, Rangers, and Can-Ams. They have pretty much anything that'll fit from universal to plug and play, and I opted for their complete plug and play kit for the Polaris XP 1000. So I'll do a quick unboxing, show you what the kit looks like, and then stay tuned for a full installation video. Okay, so we have their kit, and this is going to come with everything you need to install. It's completely plug and play. Got a nice full color instruction sheet. Every pigtail that you're going to need to do the plug and play is included. All nice factory connectors. This is, I got their optional hazard switch for the kit, so you can see it there. It's an L. Make sure you order the right kit because depending on the application, there are different types of switches. This is what they call an L-style switch that matches the factory Polaris switches and the inserts in the dash. I also opted for their sequential LED front turn signals instead of the little amber markers. I didn't like the way the little amber markers looked, and this is the only kit that I could find that had this nice sequential LED, so it'll light up sequential underneath the headlight or wherever you opt to install it. Full harness. I got their horn kit. Same thing, L-style switch. Comes with a horn. And then we have their turn signal switch, which will mount directly on the steering column. One thing I wanted to try, I wish they would do, is have the integrated horn switch on the stock, because it's a little awkward to reach down and try and toot the horn. Some of the other kits I saw on Amazon have a switch with a built-in horn where you just press it in. So that would be nice for if they could do that for the future. Again, all the pigtail harnesses you're going to need. Their control box, again, all plug and play, factory, waterproof connections. More pigtails. And then you have it comes with their lighted license plate bracket. You can see their LED license plate bracket. And they even send you zip ties, which is nice if you don't have zip ties. So you can see there, that's everything that comes in this kit. And stay tuned for an installation, which I don't anticipate to be very difficult since it's all plug and play. So, so thanks for tuning in, and I'll have the installation up soon. Like and subscribe so you don't miss it.